What are you doing? What are you watching?
Some fireworks.
It's some fireworks. Are we seeing some fireworks? Because it's 4th of July? And we're at Granny's, standing in the middle of Safeway parking lot in a cart. Woo!
Brandon in the car.
Brandon's in the car watching fireworks. Oh, what do you say? Goodness gracious.
I'm going to vertical.
That is a convertible. Is it like Mama's Miata?
I'm going to vertical.
You want to go in the convertible? Well, honey, they're strangers, so we probably shouldn't go in the convertible. You can look at the fireworks? Oh my goodness.
I said, July.
Are those lights and fireworks? Oh my goodness. Where are we right now?
The green.
At Granny's. Fireworks. Oh, we can hear them.